Hello and good morning. Today we will take lesson 12.5, Problem Solving Make New Two-Dimensional Shapes. In this lesson, we can combine shapes to make new shapes. Cora wants to combine shapes to make a circle. She has a quarter. How can Cora make a circle? Let's think together. What do we need to find? We need to find how Cora can make a circle. What information do we need to use? Cora uses this shape, a quarter. This is our information. How will we use the information? We can act out the problem with shapes. Let's see how Cora combined the shape. First, Cora uses a quarter and put it side by side to the another quarter and makes a semicircle. Then, she makes one more of semicircle by 2 quarters. Then, she puts the 2 semicircles side by side next to each other to make a circle. Use shapes to solve. Draw to show your work. Let's do number 1. How can we make a larger square by using a small square? First step. We will combine 2 squares to make a rectangle. This is 2 squares, and we will put it together to make a rectangle. Step 2. We will make another rectangle. We will take this rectangle and make another one. Then we will put these 2 rectangles side by side to make our square. Let's put them side by side here to make our square. So we put them now. Let's go to number 2. How can we use triangle to make a rectangle? We can put the 2 triangles together to make a square. I put them now together. Step 2. Then we will repeat the shape, the square, 2 times. Finally, we will put these 2 shapes side by side to make our rectangle. These are our 2 squares. I put them side by side next to each other to make our rectangle. Analyze relationships. Use shapes to solve. Draw to show your work. How can we use triangle to make a large rectangle? First step, we will combine the 2 triangles and we will put them side by side next to each other. Step 2, I will repeat the shape 2 times. Like this. Then I will put the 2 triangles side by side next to each other to make a large rectangle. Like this. Okay, Let's go to number 4. How can we use a trapezoid and a triangle to make a rhombus? All we have to do is put triangle on top the trapezoid, like this. I will put the triangle on top the trapezoid. Then, step 2, I will repeat the triangle 2 times. This is the first triangle. Then the second one. Then I will put the 2 triangles close to each other, side by side, to make our rhombus. Like this. These are the 2 triangles that I have. This is for today. Thank you for watching. Do your homework and have fun.